The philosophy of mind is a branch of philosophy that explores fundamental questions about the nature of the mind, consciousness, and mental processes. It seeks to understand the relationship between the mind and the physical world, as well as the nature of mental phenomena such as thoughts, emotions, perception, and subjective experiences. One central question in the philosophy of mind is the mind-body problem, which addresses the relationship between the mind and the body or brain. There are different philosophical positions on this issue. Dualism posits that the mind and body are two distinct entities, with the mind being non-physical or immaterial, while the body is physical. Materialism, on the other hand, holds that the mind is entirely reducible to physical processes in the brain, meaning that mental states can be explained in terms of neural activity. Another important concept in the philosophy of mind is consciousness. Philosophers attempt to understand what it means to be conscious and how conscious experiences arise. Theories of consciousness range from dualistic views that posit consciousness as a separate entity to more reductionist approaches that seek to explain consciousness in terms of brain processes. Cognitive science, psychology, and neuroscience play significant roles in informing the philosophy of mind. These disciplines provide empirical data and theories that philosophers can draw upon to develop and refine their philosophical positions. The philosophy of mind also addresses questions of intentionality, the aboutness or directedness of mental states, mental causation, how mental states influence behavior, and the nature of personal identity over time. Philosophers of mind often engage in thought experiments and conceptual analysis to explore these questions. They also draw on findings from empirical research and engage in interdisciplinary collaborations to gain a deeper understanding of the mind. In summary, the philosophy of mind is concerned with fundamental questions about the nature of the mind, consciousness, and mental processes. It investigates the relationship between the mind and the body, explores theories of consciousness, and examines topics such as intentionality, mental causation, and personal identity.